let's get a check on the weather now. Meteorologist Sabrina Fine joins us now. More wintry weather in the forecast, Sabrina. I mean, I keep hearing this from you. Are we going to get a break anytime soon?
I know. It's really surprising, actually, because we are in a La Nina, and usually in a La Nina, we have the jet stream far to our north, and we miss all of the storms. But instead, for the last week and this week continuing, the jet stream actually goes right around us, allowing these storm systems from the south to move up the east coast, and thus we continue to talk about the wintry weather. So with that, a winter weather advisory is posted. It starts at midnight tonight and it lasts until we get to 10 a.m. tomorrow. Yet again, the main concern here is going to be for portions in northern Baltimore County, northern Harford County, as well as that over toward Carroll County. So watching the slippery roads there, especially into the morning hours, because precipitation is coming down now. And as it hits the surface, especially given a few hours, we'll start to notice it freezing upon contact. Light showers right now moving through the area. We are not anticipating any snow. It's really just going to be maybe a rain sleet event over the evening and then turning over to more of a showery rain event once we get through the day on your Monday. Temperatures right now, though, as you get ready for bed, we are looking at the low to mid 30s for you. 34 in Elkton, Essex, you're at 36 degrees. So thus you can see why we're talking about rain. So, right. Temperatures, though, for the road. This is in the morning at 7 a.m. A good chunk of us are actually warmer than that freezing point. The exception there, heading out over toward maybe Thurmont, Westminster Park, and getting close. But when we get close to about, I'd say 8 o'clock, that's when we could see a little bit of a dip. And by the time we're at 9:30, most of us, with the exception of Parkton, will finally be above freezing, and thus we can watch that advisory expire. All of this cool air mass and moistures and part system of North Carolina. So you can see all the moisture wrapping around it, and that's what's coming to us, at least for tonight. But there's another stronger system that is developing in the Gulf of Mexico that will then hit us tomorrow evening. And then we'll continue to watch more wet weather as we head throughout the work week. So for tomorrow morning, we'll notice our temperatures predominantly right around the freezing point, the low 30s for us, with overcast skies. Still going to be calling for scattered showers throughout the day, although the freezing potential will come to an end. And then by the evening, that system I was talking about in the Gulf of Mexico arrives. Along with it, we're talking about a tremendous amount of rainfall. We could see anywhere from about a half an inch to 3/4 of an inch, most likely, in a lot of locations. Temperatures are going to stay in the upper 30s. So we're talking really about a rain event. Remember that, because I'm not going to be saying rain for much longer. Here we go, timing it out, starting you off at about 9 a.m. You can see a lot of the showers hanging down to our south by the time we get to right around 11 o'clock tonight. Now noticing more of the rainfall coming in, but it is out of here for a good chunk of the morning. I still would call for about a 40% chance of rain throughout the day. So I think we'll see more rain than what this one model is in fact indicating, but you will notice mostly cloudy skies. And by 5 o'clock, now seeing that second storm system approach. So more showers. There's some pink here indicating that wintry mix, although you see the yellows and the reds. The really intense rain is coming down in the forecast over the evening and ending, you can see by 6 a.m., maybe lingering through Annapolis, but it's over for you out over toward Towson, pulling up to Moncton, Bel Air, Elkton. You're going to see the light showers coming to an end. And then Tuesday is not a bad day. We'll end up seeing some breaks of sunshine out there. Temperatures warming up right around 51 degrees before we talk about our next system. So Tuesday and Wednesday, we see breaks of sunshine. Now look at this model on Thursday. We have another round of snow. Still, models are indicating if we could see a sleet rain event. If so, we could see about 2 inches of rainfall. If it turns into snow, we could see 2 to 4 inches of snow. That would last until we get to about Friday afternoon. So still a few days away. We have some time to just sort of massage this forecast and get a better idea on it. One thing we do know is that tomorrow we have scattered showers, the freezing rain in the morning, the icy roads, and then we'll just notice overcast skies right around 1 o'clock, 35 degrees. By 3 p.m., you're still looking at 35 degrees, although we will climb into the upper 30s. Heavier rain begins to arrive over the evening after your dinner plan. So it's really timing. I don't think it's going to impact you too much traveling on any of those roadways and predominantly missing most of your evening commutes. And so your 7-day forecast shows you do 35 degrees for you tomorrow. Then we go to 51. That's the warm day once we get through Tuesday. And now watching still pleasant on Wednesday. These are the days to go ahead and run your errands because it's not so horrible outside. Once we get to Thursday, though, Wednesday night, Thursday, that storm system approaches. Still waiting to see what it will be, rain or snow. One thing, though, with the storm system, once it passes, it will be very breezy Friday and on into Saturday. That's Look at Your 7-day forecast. Mallory, over to you.